Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Cloudan in your neighborhood. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon. Did you realize it's almost Children's Day? If you wonder what is Children's Day, it's on May 5th, where we celebrate children's happiness and respect their personalities. With the cup-shaped flags like this, I've got no memory that I celebrate that day before, but I want every child out there in this chaotic situation to be happy. And I came up with an idea that maybe I can be the flag. It might be a crazy idea. It will be more like a painting than a makeup. And sounds fun actually. Cup-shaped flag makeup. Here we go. First thing first, primer from I-Tec. And I will cover my eyebrows. I've already made videos about how to hide my eyebrows, so I'm gonna skip the process today. Okay, my eyebrows are covered. So now I think I'm gonna draw an orange line underneath my eyes. And I'm gonna draw a little bit of orange around here. And I'm gonna use white eyeliner from NYX. After I draw a white line, I'm gonna use black ones. This is from MAC. I think I'm gonna put some red from a clear palette. And blend into orange. And put a little bit of yellow over here and blend. And I'm gonna use this blue to create the depth. And I'm gonna clean up the edge. Now I'm gonna paint black all over my forehead. I don't think this is a good product because see? I'm so done with this. I'm gonna draw. Now I think I should highlight blue over here. So I'm gonna draw a white line over here. And I clearly messed this up. I'm trying using clown color white from Mitsuyoshi. And I'm gonna draw eyebrows with white. Oh my god, it's really hard. Oh my god. I don't think it's a good finish, but whatever. Okay, eyebrows are done. And I'm gonna draw my eyeline. Now I'm gonna put some glitter on my eye socket, and I think I'm gonna use this white mainly and add a little bit of this color, bluish, greenish, I don't know. I'm gonna draw black line in here. And I'm gonna put gold glitter. Okay, now I'm gonna put my foundation on. Okay, the foundation is done. And I think I'm gonna draw some white lines underneath here with the fork. So I'm gonna put some white like this, and okay, now I'm gonna cover my lip a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna put some glitter on my lips, and I think I'm gonna use this color, 5 colors: white, orange, gold, greenish blue, light blue, and red. Okay, my makeup is done, so I'm gonna get dressed and do my hair, and I'll be coming back. If you like this video, smash like button and don't forget to subscribe. See you next video, guys!